Today I'm gonna be vlogging my life as a gym Marian. Hi, this is my gift from my advisor right here. I'm going to give it to her later. Hi, so this is our classroom right here. It's so nice and tidy. Look at this classroom right here from Credit Hope. It is so nice, guys. Look at the setup. It's so nice, guys. Look at them. They're helping each other. This is our setup. We're planning this for Mom Ria's Teacher's Day. Okay, so someone got this cake for Mom Rio for Teacher's Day. Oh, I hope she likes it.